Hi, and welcome to a short video that I put together for you to learn all about the Clipboard History feature in your OneLaunch search application. So first and foremost, where is it? It is top right. It's one of the features that we pre-pinned to your OneLaunch dock experience, and it looks like a clipboard. And as you hover over it, you see Clipboard History, and as you click open it, you immediately see the Clipboard History. So first of all, I want to show you that there's a shortcut that we've coded for you to be able to open up your clipboard history from anywhere. So that's Control-Alt+V. So I'm just going to close it, and that's just if it's super convenient for you to do that versus come up and click the icon itself. So I'm just going to type that in on my keyboard, Control-Alt+V, and boom, right away your clipboard history feature opens up. So in case you don't know exactly what's going on here with your clipboard, the clipboard is a place that stores every single copy that you make when you're on your computer, on your PC. So as an example use case, where this is extremely convenient and where it's so nice that OneLaunch exposes it for you in such a unique and obvious place, imagine you copied something to your clipboard maybe 3 copies ago, but you've copied 2 things since, so your current paste is the most recent, but you really want to go back and find that thing that you copied 3 times ago and repaste it or paste it for the first time because you forgot to. That is where the clipboard history feature in OneLaunch is so convenient, because we keep a history of all the things that you copied to your clipboard. So I'm just going to show you how this works, in practice. So why don't we just open up my browser here, dogs. Why don't let's just open up this. Let's get a sense of how the tool works. Let's copy some paste here. Okay, and right click, copy. And I don't know if you saw it, but the clipboard history actually flashed. So I'm going to open this up, and you can see here that the text was copied. So all you have to do now is click it, and it's been copied again. Obviously, you wouldn't do that because it already was. I hadn't recopied something else. But let's just copy something else. Continue to give a good sense. So I'll copy this, and now watch the clipboard history icon. It's just a nice flash to remind you where your copy history goes. So there's the flash, and I open it. So that's the different text I just have. So the thing that's copied now, if I go to paste, would be this. So I can go back to click this to copy it over what I just copied. I hope that makes sense. Additionally, you can use the screenshot tool that we pre-pinned to OneLaunch. Let's like this. Oh, not a flattering picture of me. I've copied that. That as well goes to your clipboard history. So again, I could, obviously it's copied at present, so if I pasted, that's what it would be. But I can go back and recopy this one to paste it somewhere else. And you're able to clear your history, which is convenient as well, and close. So that is very simply the clipboard history feature in OneLaunch. Very convenient location, very convenient to find old copies that you've made that you want to resurface and recopy and paste somewhere, like in an email, for example. Everything with the reminder of the flash when you copy something anywhere on your PC to remind you where it goes. And again, reminder of the shortcut, Control-Alt+V, that opens it up immediately. So yeah, I hope you find this as convenient as we do. If you have any questions on how copy-paste works on your computer or how our clipboard history feature works in OneLaunch, please reach out at support@onelaunch.com and we'd be happy to help. Thanks and have a great day.